Hey, it's Brian with Cash's Design Build. Let's go check on progress on our waterproof deck project. Let's see how Rob is doing over here on this waterproof deck. Look at that, meticulously scraping the little slivers off of the ends of the boards. Yeah, looking great. So we've got a whole bunch of decking on here. We've got our little trim board around the perimeter. Let's take a look at these clips that we do the hidden fastener type system with. There they are, those little guys that go in there. And the deck board is slotted on the side, if you can see, kind of clips into with those clips, lock them down onto the joist. It allows for a little bit of movement because this stuff is always expanding and contracting in the heat. Looking good so far.